Hello and Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Putri Nara Epa binti Abdul Ghani. So, for our group project, we have chosen Theatre Musical Rubiah, written by Samaza and directed by Associate Professor Dr. Aminah Rafour. Rubiah is a Malay musical theatre set in a traditional village environment, blending elements of folklore, mysticism, and classic Malay values about women, family, love, and spirituality. The story follows Rubiah, a mysterious young woman pursued by several suitors, while she faced personal, cultural, and familiar challenges with the entire cast. Each day requires different lighting, actors, costumes, and adjustment. This theatre production is ideal for script breakdown because of its rich cultural elements, strong visual symbolism, and its exploration of women's role within traditional Malay society. The production integrates music and traditional dances such as the Gordang Sembilan, enhancing its cultural depth. In terms of genre, this is a musical drama with elements of romance, tradition, and mysticism. The concept explores the conflict between tradition and personal agencies, as Rubiah searches for her true path in society shaped by custom and belief. The plot starts with a lively village festival, then shifts to Rubiah receiving multiple proposals, experiencing visions, and eventually facing a dramatic turning point that reveals her true identity.
For this part, I'll be explaining about sets and props. So basically, this production uses specific sets and props that are rich in cultural and symbolic meaning. Each setting and object plays an important role in building the story's atmosphere and character development. Firstly, the sets. There are 4 main locations used in our play. Firstly, the hill and lake, which represent mystical and natural elements, appearing repeatedly throughout the story. Secondly, Part 1's house. Specifically, the veranda and yard is a traditional Malay setting used for social gatherings. Thirdly, Rubiah's bedroom shows her private and spiritual world. And finally, we have an abstract setting called Anywhere, which is used for spiritual or supernatural scenes like dream sequences or symbolic moments. As for props, we use several important objects that carry cultural symbolism. For example, the selendang, which is scarf, represents Rubiah's purity and appears multiple times. Other props include traditional items like the Quran, water jar, keris, and engagement gifts, all of which reflect Malay traditions and Islamic values. Each prop is chosen to support the themes and emotions in each scene. So, in conclusion, both the sets and the props are not just background, they are key storytelling tools that reflect our cultural beliefs and the emotional journey of the characters.
Next is about costume and makeup. For costume, they were wearing the traditional clothes, and there are special clothes for the lelaki misteri and bidadari, and also villager as a supporting cast. And makeup is for the change for lelaki misteri, the change from the ugly to handsome. And makeup for bidadari is supernatural or radiant makeup. Meanwhile, Rubiah's makeup is impure or natural. Alright, the last part is about breaking down the location and talent on shooting. Firstly, at Bukit or Tasik, This is the key scenes for prologue and Rubiah's mystical experiences. Second is at Rumah Pak Tuan, the scenes of family and proposal negotiation and the final engagement. And lastly, they use specific locations for musical sequences and rituals. The talent is there are special choreography like martial arts or circuit.